Hi, I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn algebraic expressions together step by step. An algebraic expression is a math phrase that uses letters called variables. A variable like x just stands in for a number we don't know yet. And 3x means 3 times x, so 3x plus 2 is an expression. We turn words into expressions all the time. 5 more than n becomes n plus 5. Twice a number y becomes 2y. Once you learn the keywords, you can translate almost any phrase into algebra. Like terms have the exact same variable. 4x plus 3x is 7x. We just add the numbers in front, called coefficients. But x and y are different, so they can't be combined. Only matching variables go together. Let's evaluate 3x plus 2 when x equals 4. We swap x for 4 to get 3 times 4 plus 2. 3 times 4 is 12, and 12 plus 2 is 14. That's our answer. So a variable is a placeholder for a number. To evaluate, plug in the value and simplify. And to clean up an expression, combine like terms. That's the heart of working with algebraic expressions. Great work! Keep practicing with Ace at uscoreacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.